Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're going to make a complete chicken dinner in the crock pot. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're making a complete chicken dinner in the crock pot. Go ahead, plug your crock pot in, put it on low. We're just going to give the crock pot a thin spray of olive oil. Now I got 4 chicken breasts here. I'm going to be adding the smoky Mystique seasoning. Now you don't have to add this, you can just use salt or pepper or some other spice or nothing at all. It's up to you. Now I did wash off my chicken before I did this. That's why you see the water in the bottom. Go ahead, put this in the sink and wash my hands real fast. Okay, you're going to need to get yourself a mixing bowl or a regular bowl big enough to mix stuff in. We got cornbread. Now you can use regular stovetop or the store brand stovetop. I just like the cornbread myself. Okay, and you're going to need 2 cups of yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. You can use sour cream, but I don't have sour cream, so we're not going to be using it. Next up, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. You can use cream of chicken or cream of celery, cream something, cream potato. Mix and match, maybe a can of cream chicken, then a can of cream of mushroom. Whatever you want, it's no big deal. There we go. And 2/3 cups of water. You can also use milk if you want to. There we go. Now you're going to cover your chicken. Now I got approximately 2.5 cups of potatoes. Those on top. Now, when I looked up the recipe, they were calling for like canned green beans or frozen green beans. I'm trying to get away from all the added chemicals, so that's why I'm not using canned green beans. I don't have frozen green beans. But what I do have, Amazon sale, $2.49, is some mixed vegetables, cauliflower, carrots, broccoli. And if you look at the ingredients, it's pretty simple. Broccoli, carrots, cauliflower. No added preservatives or anything like that. I'm going to go ahead and try to eyeball how much I put in there. Then rinse it off. Be right back. Okay, we're going to add our vegetables. There we go. That was about half the bag. But what we're going to do, I'll go ahead, plug this back in. I had to unplug it and move it closer so everybody can see it. Plug it back in, put the lid on, come back in about 5 hours and check on it. Okay, it's been almost 5 hours. I have like 10 seconds left. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Check our vegetables. Let's go broccoli. Perfect. Not too tender. I mean, not too hard. No, it's not overcooked. Now, basically what this did was it steamed the broccoli. That's some stuffing. Go ahead and try a little piece of potato. The potatoes are a little undercooked for my liking, but not bad. What I was thinking was, I wish I would have added mushrooms to this, but it is what it is. Now, before we start digging out the potatoes and stuff, let's go over everything real quick. The stuffing was 660 times 2 was 1320. Highest calorie count. The soup was 225 times 2 was 450. Yogurt, 1 cup, 120 times 2 was 240. Chicken, 110 times 4 is 440. Water, 2/3 cup, 0. Potatoes, 1 cup times 2.5. Okay. I'm sorry, potatoes, 1 cup, 116 calories times 2.5 was 290. Vegetable, half a bag, was 330 for a total of 3,070. Divide that by 4, it's 767 and a half. Okay, so well less than 800 calories. Now, if we would have used sour cream, it would have been 445 calories times 2, which would have been 890. Whole milk, 97 calories. So that's 987 calories. But by using the yogurt and water, we reduced it by 747 calories, which is almost a whole serving. Let's go ahead, get our potatoes out. I can't emphasize how good this smells right now. Okay, let's go ahead and try a little bit of this stuffing. That has a good taste to it. It's just a lot more moist than what I would like. I wish it was a little bit thicker, but it is what it is. Maybe it'll get a little stiffer once it thickens, cools off. Starting to see chicken now. Now you can see this easily would feed 4 people. Unplug this. Let's go ahead and try to dig our chicken out. It's falling apart, as you can see. It's definitely done. It's no doubt about it, and it's moist. I can just tell by trying to pick it up. There we go. Now you're gonna have stuffing in your chicken and chicken in your stuffing. You can see how moist it is. Look at that. Well, it's hot. Put a little bit of this to the side. Let it cool off and give it a try. Okay, I ain't gonna bore you with me digging the rest of this out. Things turned out pretty good. I'm rather surprised. If you try this recipe, please let me know what you think of it. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. It should be over here in the left-hand corner. And as always, thank you for watching.